In this video, I will show you how to add text to your Midjourney images. Now, this is actually a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, I want to say you can either use Midjourney in a Discord version or on the web interface. Personally, I love the web interface, and you can access that by just going to midjourney.com, then go to Explore, and then you will see this prompt bar over here. This is where you can type your prompt or just paste it like I'm doing right now. And as you can see, this is a long prompt of basically a helicopter with the text, which is what we want, SpaceX written on. So what you need to do is you need to implement like a good prompt where you say something like generate a car with blah 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 written on it. And it's also very important that you add this quotation marks so it is actually clear what kind of prompt or what kind of text they actually do need to add to that image. So let's just press enter for now, and well, Midjourney is generating the image right now. First of all, I want to say the text cannot be 100% accurate. It is still an AI, and if you want to add logos, for example, that is not 100% accurate, but the more known a logo or a specific text is, the better it will generate the image. So as you can see right now, SpaceX is quite a known logo, so it will generate a better image. As you can see, this looks pretty good. For example, this is pretty good. SpaceX, it looks kind of like the logo, but the same, the main ID is the same, and it looks like the SpaceX logo. So you can create edits based off this image. So you can make variations of this. You can upscale this to basically get a higher version of this image. You can either select subtle or creative. You can remix this, pen this, zoom, rerun, or take inspiration based off this image. You can even zoom this 2 times. The options are genuinely endless. So I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.